Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I just kind of wanted to come on here and let you guys know what my inspiration was behind this look. I saw a young lady off of Instagram, and I believe she also have a YouTube too. Her name is Tailormadejane. And she had this really cute blue look with the blue wing, and she was pretty much my inspiration behind this look. So I just kind of wanted to come on here and give her credit for this look, because yeah, I definitely got this look off of her. I love the look so much to where I am going to title this video that I got this look from Tailormadejane. Even though mine may be a lighter blue than hers, but all in all, the inspiration was the makeup look that she did. Yeah, you guys, just let me know how my look looked in the description bar. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it, and check out the rest of the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so in this clip I am pretty much pretending to put more foundation on because when I first put it on I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So yes, I was a little upset about that. Hey guys, please support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and notification bell so every time I come with a new video you guys will definitely know about it. Hey guys, if you are enjoying this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Hey guys, make sure that you head over to Instagram and follow me at mskeedybaby. I am very active on my Instagram page, so definitely go over to Instagram and follow me again at mskeedybaby. Okay guys, I thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely know about it. Also, make sure that you hit that like button if you like this video, and I'll see you in my next video.